Super Pig's Big Adventure. In a serene corner of the countryside, nestled among rolling hills and vibrant green fields, there was a farm known not just for its bountiful harvest but for a rather extraordinary resident. This was the home of Percy, a plump and cheerful pig. But Percy was no ordinary pig. He was known to all as Super Pig, the caped hero of the barnyard. The sun bathed the farm in a warm glow on this particular day, casting long shadows from the tall oak trees. The red barn, the centerpiece of the farm, stood proudly, housing an array of animals that coexisted in harmony. Super Pig, adorned in his iconic blue cape and mask, stood outside the barn, his ears twitching at the sounds of the farm. It was a day like any other until a sudden commotion near the chicken coop caught Super Pig's attention. The farm animals were gathered in a tight circle, their faces etched with worry and concern. As Super Pig trotted over, he could hear the whispers about a missing kitten, a beloved member of their farm family. Determined to help, Super Pig addressed the anxious crowd. "Fear not, my friends. I will find the kitten and bring her back safely," he declared, his voice full of conviction. With a reassuring oink, he set off on his mission, his cape billowing heroically behind him. Super Pig began his search at the heart of the farm. He questioned the cows, who were grazing lazily in the field, and the ducks splashing in the pond, but none had seen the missing kitten. Not deterred, Super Pig extended his search beyond the familiar territories of the farm. He ventured into the whispering woods that bordered the farm, a place of mystery and ancient trees. Here, he met a wise old owl perched on a gnarled branch. The owl, with its penetrating gaze, listened intently to Super Pig's query about the lost kitten. "You must search beyond the usual paths," the owl advised in a deep, resonant voice. "Look where shadows dance and the ground tells a different story." Thanking the owl for its wisdom, Super Pig continued his quest, pondering the cryptic advice. He traversed through thickets and across streams, his keen eyes scanning every nook and cranny. As the sun began to dip lower in the sky, casting a golden hue over the landscape, Super Pig's determination never wavered. Finally, in a secluded glade where the sun and shadows played a delicate dance, he heard a faint mewing. Following the sound, Super Pig found the kitten trapped under a fallen branch, her eyes wide with fright. With gentle care, he lifted the branch and scooped the kitten into his arms. The kitten, recognizing her savior, purred with gratitude. The journey back to the farm was a triumphant one. Super Pig, with the kitten nestled safely in his cape, was greeted by cheers and adoration from the farm animals. The kitten was reunited with her worried friends, and the farm once again resounded with joy and relief. As the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, Super Pig stood by the barn, his mission accomplished. He may have been just a pig to some, but to the residents of the farm, he was a true hero. With his heart full of pride, Super Pig retired to his pen, ready for whatever adventure the next day might bring. And so, in the heart of the countryside, the legend of Super Pig continued to grow, a testament to the bravery and kindness that even the unlikeliest of heroes can possess.